Hey everybody, it's Dr. Tiffany here with Nutrition on Purpose. Have you ever heard of the term hormonal misfiring? It is a really under talked about topic when it comes to people not reaching their weight loss goals or their health goals, or just really struggling with bouncing back and forth and yo-yoing or plateauing a lot. And it is the biggest reason why people do experience all those things. With Nutrition on Purpose, the design is actually to get you to your health goals in a strategic and appropriate and more long-term or permanent manner, which means healing the cells, which means repairing the gut, decreasing body inflammation, and then getting you to fueling your body in a way that literally makes you a fat-burning machine. This right here is toxic tissue. This is toxic burden on your body. This is what 5 pounds of fat looks like. And if you are interested in getting rid of 5 pounds of actual fat this year in 2021, go ahead and click the link below and we can get started.